Messy projects kill your creativity. You spend more time looking for stuff than actually making something. So here's exactly how I organize everything. And look, I'm not a professional or anything. This is just what works for me personally. From my computer folders all the way into After Effects and Premiere Pro. So let's get into it. First thing is share assets folder. Somewhere on your computer outside of any project, create a folder. Call it my assets or whatever makes sense to you. Inside it make subfolders for the stuff you use in every single video. And name them like fonts, music, overlay and stuff like that. You can collect different assets in this folder, like it grows with every project. You download a new sound effects and new images for each project and then you store this in assets folder, and like it's easier this way to store and organize in your computer locally instead of going to Chrome and downloading files you need. Now for each new project make its own folder. This is separate from your shared assets. This one is just for this particular project. Inside it I keep it simple. Footages for the footage I have to edit, audios and assets like assets I will use in this project, and export and projects files blah blah blah, and everything on this project lives in here. And the key thing is whenever you move something in your computer and open Premiere after a break or something like that, you don't have to deal with that red media or missing files error. When the project is done, the whole folder is there. You can just archive it and send it to a client or hand it off to someone else, and everything they need is already there. Next step, start with a template. Yep, I know we are not CapCut editor or something like that, but in After Effects and Premiere Pro you can save your template project. Open a blank project in After Effects and make bins. Like I do comps, footages, audio and assets again, and save this project as a template project. Name it whatever you want, like template. Every time you want to create a new project, just duplicate this project and open this one, so you don't have to create multiple folders again and again. And it's same in the Premiere Pro. You can do the same in the Premiere Pro and you never start from a blank project again. This is where most people's project get messy and it's the easiest thing to fix. In After Effects, name your layers. Not like shape layer 57 or shape layer 103. You will instantly cry if you open After Effects after a break or something like that. So name them properly. Text, main text or overlay and background, stuff like that. Okay, everyone uses color labels on different layers like background, adjustment layer, but do you know you can use color keyframes if you're using After Effects version 2022 or later? Yep, this is really helpful sometimes when there are different thousands of keyframes on a single layer. Last, use presets. Whenever you build something you know you will use again, save it. Don't just leave it. In After Effects or Premiere Pro, once you made an animation you like, go to animation, save animation presets, and it shows up in your effects and preset panel. And you can also create MOGAT files, so you don't have to open After Effects again and again. Especially if you are using a low-end PC, you can never open Premiere and After Effects at the same time, or your PC will blast, I guess. So create MOGAT files, it's easier and faster. That's it. Apply these tricks in your next video and you will see the difference.